Hi peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I'm going to be unboxing the NerdECrafter Galaxy Fidget box. I have been waiting so long for this. It was a pre-order item, so shipped at the end of last month. I am really pleased with how quickly it arrived to me because it wasn't expected to start shipping until the middle of June. So this is fab that it's here already. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's get into it. There it is! Out of this world de-stress kit. Right, I'm just going to upend the box to get it out. Come on, out you come. Okay, so gorgeous packaging, really lovely. Definitely a box worth keeping. So you can see it's got all the NerdECrafter branding on it. Got the little salt shaker. So cute. On the back it tells us what it's going to contain. So got a sticker sheet, a giant holographic sticker, a salt shaker plushie, and 2 fidget cubes. So let's have a look. Oh. Okay, I'm just going to bring you down a little bit. Okay. So, we've got the salt shaker with a gorgeous hollow space background. That is very cool. As you can see, I've got my, oops, I'll move you out, you can see over here, I've got my existing salt shaker that I got with the NerdECrafter, not another crap kit box. So we've got I'm Insulted, and now we've got this little one to go with him. We've got these stickers, so we've got Dishonor on Your Cow. We've got different coloured salt shakers, like the rainbow one. The rainbow one is cool. We've got dragons. These are based off of creations that Jackie has previously made. We've got Jackie doing her salt sprinkle. Get in the trash. Really cool. I love these. They're so nice. This is beautifully packaged. My goodness. Right, let's put this to one side. So here we've got the first of the fidgets. So for anyone that's followed Jackie's channel, you will have seen that she is a big fan of fidget toys. She has unboxed lots of them in the past, and these were the ones in this box are based off some of her favourites, obviously because she's putting her name on this. I love the purpley space theme. It matches my desk. So this little cube, we've got a thumb toggle. We've got a little spinny thing. A nice little, just little thumb groove. We've got a switch. We've got little windy cogs. They don't make any noise. Little ball. And then we've got, oh, that's nice. So buttons, some of them are clicky and some of them are not. So that's quite nice. You've got the choice there. yeah, that is great, and it's perfectly pocket sized. It's not too childish, so if you are like me and are an adult but also who needs to keep her fingers busy, then this would be a good thing to keep in your pocket. You can do quiet things if you need to be quiet, and if you don't need to be quiet, you can clicky clack away. So very cool. My main task now will be to stop my son from stealing it. So I'm sure we're probably going to end up sharing them. So, and then in this side, we've got the Galaxy Infinity Cube fidget. So this is a cube, but then also you can just constantly open it. It's incredibly satisfying to play with. It's got a nice weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like it's going to break anytime soon. Some plastics can feel really brittle. This doesn't, and as you can see, its actual fastenings at the hinges are metal. So yeah, it's got a nice click to it, and I could sit here doing this for the rest of the evening. So, but let's see what else is in the box. I shall pop this away. Okay, got another little bird's nest. They will all be reused. And then in here we've got, so yeah, I should probably say this came from a company called Juniper. They were the ones that helped Jackie to curate it, put it together. And so this is our plushy salt shaker, which is so soft, so lovely. It's got the NerdECrafter branding on there. And then it's also a squishy. So it's a squishy and a plushie in one, which is fab. Perfect for people that want something tactile, but also that kind of stress relief of smushing stuff. So yeah, squishy on the inside, plushy on the outside. I really like it. I'm so pleased. It was, because it is, you know, it's a limited edition product. It came in at $29.99. However, I think that's pretty good for, you know, branded, you know, this is YouTuber creator merch. These are not things, well, you know, these things are not things you can buy in the shops. They are not available anywhere else. And so it's nice to support a fellow creator, but also to get unique items. I know that the fidget toys are available elsewhere, but the ones that I've seen are not necessarily this quality, and I would much rather get things that I know Jackie wouldn't have put in this box if she didn't believe in them. So that's just my personal opinion. So yeah, so we've got cute stickers that I'm probably gonna spend a while fretting about where to put them. This one's gonna go on the desk, so you'll see this one in future videos. And yeah, I'm so pleased with it. It's all come together really lovely, and yeah, I'm really glad that I was able to share it with you guys as well. So please do go to Jackie's channel and show her some love. She does fabulously funny unboxing videos and crafting videos, and oh my goodness, yeah, she's just, I fangirl every time I talk about her, so I'm gonna stop. But yes, please do go and support her channel. check her out on Instagram. She's also on Twitch and on Twitter. You can find her everywhere. And I am going to go and play with my infinity cube. So if you want to find out when I next upload, please do consider subscribing, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.